Claro que sí, estamos en tu celular. Best Ways English Institute. We are in your smartphone. You can find us all information about us en Best Ways English Institute. Y puede buscar más informaciones de nuestro curso en YouTube. Sí, estamos en YouTube. Puede buscarnos como Best Ways English Institute. Yeah, Mr. Villanueva talking from Best Ways English Institute. The real place to know English very well. Now is your opportunity. Dominican Republic, yeah, come and join now. Worldwide. Best Ways English Institute and call us this cell phone number. Puede llamarnos al número que aparece en pantalla. Best Ways English Institute. Sí, estamos en YouTube. Oh yeah, we are on YouTube channel. Join us today right now. We have a English class for children, adult, and private English class too. Yeah, we have English class for everyone. Join now to Best Ways English Institute with a new English program. Mr. Villanueva, Professor Villanueva, yeah, talking from you on Best Ways English Institute. Join us today, Best Way, and subscribe to our show.
Capacitando la juventud. Best Way English Institute. Capacitando la juventud. Best Way English Institute. Capacitando la juventud. Best Way English Institute. Capacitando la juventud. Institute, capacitando la juventud. Best Way English Institute, capacitando la juventud. Best Way English Institute, capacitando la juventud.